原来就伫民主党召开全国代表大会，替何英丽和花珠这两个正副总统候选人做席时，共和党的阵营嘛，找前总统川普和特斯拉的创办人马斯克伫社群平台对谈。川普是批评民主党临时要甲拜登换掉，这就是政变。另外，伫路透社的专访内底，川普嘛有讲未来总统会当互伊选调，马斯克嘛有意愿，伊就会招马斯克加入新政府的团队。
川普伫19个路透社专访内面讲，家己虽然真欣赏电动车，但是目前除了电动车体型伤大，续航力嘛无比汽柴油车搁较好。搁较重要的是，电动车的关键零组件，特别是车用电池，真侪拢是中国制造，无符合伊家己美国优先的政策路线。因为安尼，伊重申顶个月共和党大会讲的，未来上任了后会取消强迫换装电动车的法令和相关税的优惠。不过，对靠电动车起家的马斯克，川普说电动是对伊学到甲会得志。
He's very smart. I had a great talk with him the other day. As you know, went on for 2.5 hours almost, and perhaps you listened. But he's a very smart guy. I certainly would if he would do it. I certainly would. He's a brilliant guy.
对民主党阵营雄雄换人选，共和党当然未放过这个机会，一直甲批评。川普和马斯克在对谈的时阵，就讲民主党甲拜登换掉，等于是党内的政变。
He hasn't done an interview since this whole scam started, and say what you want. This was a coup. This was a coup of a president of the United States. He didn't want to leave, and they said we can do it the nice way, or we can do it the hard way.
Kamala, what are you so afraid of? The American people are good and kind, even if they don't like your politics. Why don't you get out and talk to them?
选战的重点是对准对手政党的正副总统候选人，但是共和党占多数的众议院，并无拍算大安尼放过拜登。上新出来的众议报告内面，共和党就讲拜登伫较早副总统的任内，暗砍因弟弟詹姆斯和因囝亨特，和中路和乌克兰的个人和企业有无正当的钱的往来。另外，伊嘛强调拜登出卖美国的国家利益，主张伊必须要受到弹劾。这指控有真大一部分，其实早就伫2020年的大选进程，都是真侪人在讨论的话题。迄当阵伫 IT 业界联手封杀之下，新闻报道的效应是真歹扩散。即马因为选战愈来愈紧绷，共和党阵营佫开始讲这政治效应，佫爱观察。公司新闻7家人编译。